How do I get further in life and in business?
How bad do you want it? Are you willing to sacrifice time and money? Because you will have to sacrifice both of those. You will have to reduce distractions. Stop scrolling on Facebook. Stop watching your Netflix shows. Stop binge watching things. Am I saying inherently that there's a problem with doing those things? Absolutely not. But if you want to prioritize having a life and building something that you want to be proud of, it's going to require you to give some time initially. And most people don't want to give that initial time. They want things to work right away. They want to do some videos for 6 months. And when they don't see results in 6 months, they don't see 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. They don't see the book sales on the ebook they're creating go skyrocket. Then they get discouraged and they want to quit. That means you don't want it that bad. If you wanted it that bad, none of those things would deter you. Here I am, 7, 8 years later. I wrote this book in 2012, and I think I published it in 2015. I spent $3,000 on a PR campaign. It was a failed campaign, but I was excited. I'm ready to go. You know how you have that fire burning when you want to do something new and you just think the world is going to love it, and then you put it out there and nobody cares. That's what happened with that book. And then I started blogging and making videos on it, and then I started to develop an audience. By that time, I had grown, things had changed, and this book is still relevant to maybe to just as an entertaining read, but I wanted it bad enough. I'm still writing. Came out with another book, learned the process of publishing and promoting and marketing and all these other hats that you have to wear when you become an entrepreneur or an author. And it's just like, how bad do you want it? What are you willing to sacrifice? If the answer is nothing, you can be one of two things. You can be a slave to someone else's dream, or you can be a slave to your own dream, because either way, you will have to sacrifice time, effort, and money for it to work. So, if you are one of those people that quit at the first sign of difficulty or challenge or pain, then you shouldn't try anything. You should just go to your job, whatever that is, keep complaining about it, and change nothing. And that will keep you in the same place that you are. Or you can figure out a plan on what you want to do and how you'll achieve it, and then keep in your mind that failure is imminent. If you will go into all your endeavors with this in mind, and you want it bad enough, I don't think there's anything that can stop you. It's all up to you. Most people who start digital marketing or online business don't see sales in enough progress and get enough leads because they start with the wrong foundation. But it doesn't have to stay this way, and I'd like to help you with that. All you need is the right guide. Or maybe you just need a little bit of hands-on guidance. If you've been in digital marketing and you haven't seen the progress or the sales or the leads that you've been wanting, then I invite you to join the Online Business Simplified membership community. And just to give you a little taste, every book that I've written, every audio book that I'm going to release, every training that I include with my books are going to be available to you as an instant download when you join my membership community. I'm going to have live training sessions where I actually show you how to implement the stuff inside the books. Now, every book, every training, and every lesson inside my membership is designed to help you be able to learn the information quickly and to implement it so you can get results faster. So wherever you are on your digital marketing journey, our frameworks, our trainings, all of this stuff is designed to meet you wherever you are. You can get started for just $20 a month There are other tiers if you want to go a little bit deeper with me and get more hands-on training. Simply having a mentor, that alone can make all the difference in helping you to implement the strategies that you learn. It's priceless, and see how it can change your life, and you'll be glad that you did. If you want to learn more about my membership, the link will be down in the description. And now back to the video that you were watching.